Before you begin, remove the 2 rubber feet, the base enclosure, the battery, the M.2 solid-state drive, the power button board, the left fan, the right fan and IR board, the system board, and the display panel assembly. Removal. Remove the single P0 Phillips head screw that secures the left rear speaker to the top cover. Gently lift the left rear speaker off of its alignment pins on the top cover and remove it. The right rear speaker is removed in the same way. Replacement. Place the left rear speaker on its alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the single P0 Phillips head screw that secures the left rear speaker to the top cover. The right rear speaker is replaced in the same way.